The C-Tech MXS 5.0 gives you safe, fast, automatic charging of any 12-volt lead-acid battery, whatever the temperature. Simply connect the MXS 5.0 to your battery, the red clamp to the positive terminal and the black clamp to the negative terminal, or a ground point on your vehicle's body. If your vehicle has dedicated charge points, follow the instruction in your vehicle's manual to find out how to connect a battery charger. The MXS 5.0 has inbuilt reverse polarity protection, so don't worry if you've got the clamps on the wrong way around. The clamps are also spark-free, so it won't matter if you accidentally touch them together. If your battery is hard to reach, you can permanently attach the supplied Connect eyelet M6 cables for quick connection to the MXS 5.0. Plug the MXS 5.0 into a power socket and the green power LED lights up to show you everything's working. If you're using the MXS 5.0 for the first time, it'll automatically default to normal mode. After that, it will always start up with the last mode you selected. So leave it in normal mode for normal 12-volt car or vehicle batteries. Press the mode button to change to AGM mode, which is the dedicated charging algorithm for AGM start-stop batteries. Press again for recon mode, which will help restore your battery if it's out of condition. Or if you're using the MXS 5.0 on a smaller battery like the one in a motorcycle, press the button again for small mode. Once you've selected the mode you want, the fully automatic charging process starts. Because the MXS 5.0 is a smart charger with temperature compensation, the award-winning technology automatically works out exactly what your battery needs. Each LED will now light up depending on where you are in the charging process, and when the 7th LED lights up, your battery will be fully charged. You can also leave the MXS 5.0 connected for long periods of time, where its dedicated maintenance stages will keep your battery in peak condition, so it's ready to go when you are. This is the C-Tech MXS 5.0. Thanks for watching.